Hey guys, my name is Dennis. Today I am going to show you how to resolve printing problems. Wait, if you can't listen, I have got you sorted. I'm going to be able to type something. I have a presentation for you. Yes, so I'm going to show you how to resolve printing problems in Windows 10. It's important to note that the concept is the same with Windows 7, just slight differences in the menu. Okay, let's do it. Okay, you find yourself having printing problems. If you do have a laptop and you print, you know that this is an issue that always happens. It's not something that would be new. Provided you print, you will one day find printing problems. Well, the good news is you can resolve it by yourself. Yes, I'm repeating that you can resolve most of these problems by yourself. Let's find out actually what I am talking about. Before we go to the major printing issues, I have this. Let's type something little and try to print it. Just open my Word. Let's wait a little bit. Okay, let me enlarge this so that it's big enough for all of us to see. Yeah, kudos competition. Let's just try to print this document. Okay, I have brought you here for a reason. Here's where you can see all the printers that have been installed in your computer. Definitely you can see I have Unidesk printer, this Ecosys. Oh, you see that this one, specifically the one I'm pointing, is having an error. Others are showing offline. I just wanted to explain a little bit what offline means. You can install much printers up to the number you want, definitely. This printer is showing ready. So there's offline and ready. Ready means that the printer, I can actually access the printer and print with it. However, when a printer is offline, you cannot print from it. That means your computer cannot communicate with the printer. But it's a problem we can all solve. So let's go back. So let's go back to where we were. 4 major issues. Issue number 1 is you're probably not connected to a network at all. Now, modern printers and most printers in office environment, they are accessed through the network, either wireless or wired. So you have to click here and make sure that you are connected. And for my case, I'm connected, which is fine. So let's go to the next issue. Printer is showing that you are offline. When a printer is showing it is offline, the solution is here. You open services, you open services, go to print spooler and restart it. Let's go there. Just tap on Windows button, type services. Okay, let's wait for it to open. Oops, it's taking long. Let me just start it again. It's showing there. Double click on it. Alright, our services is there. So when you have opened services, you want to look for print spooler and just type in P to reach where it is. Print spooler is here. You can click here to restart it. And when you are restarting, you can note here that because print spooler service is restarted, it will change a lot of status of the printers here. Those printers that were offline can definitely come online. Let's go to the next problem. We have solved 2 issues. The printer is in error state. This is one of the most interesting issues. So for that, you have to clear unprinted documents. To do that, you have to go to your printers and scanners. Let's open it. Okay, here the list of the printers, and this one can tell me there's a document in the queue. This one is saying it's offline, that means I can't access it. Oh, even this one is saying driver is unavailable. This one has 1 document in the queue. So in order for you to resolve issues with printer being in error state, you have to open each of these printers and see what is happening to them. So let's go to, you have to go there and say open queue. Oh, so this document is stuck here, it is not printed. I will right click on it and cancel it. You definitely want to say yes. So if that document is the one that had put that print in error state, it will not then be able to print. One thing I've not told you about the error state is that if a print is in error state, there's nothing much that you will do about it. You must first get it out of the error state in order for it to print for you again. Sending more documents on it will not help. Okay. Most of my printers are now showing there are no hanging documents in them. Actually, if you don't want to use this interface, you can go through control panel. This also applies in Windows 7. You go to printers, view printers and devices. You can first go to hardware and sound, but you can go there, and here it gives you a better view of all the printers. And you can check on here. Here you right click on it and say see what is printing. And definitely there's nothing printing there. This is one of the printers. There's nothing stuck in there as well. Let's check on this one, see what is printing. Nothing stuck in there. Okay, I am good then. Alright, so let's go to our last problem. Oh, I forgot to mention this. Sometimes what you simply need to do is right click on that particular printer that is having the problem and choose this link, troubleshoot. So when you troubleshoot, it will bring this window, and Windows will automatically detect and try to resolve that problem for you. Okay, let's go back to our PowerPoint. Yes, the last issue is printers drivers missing. As you can see in among my printers here, one of my printers says driver is unavailable. So either you reinstall that driver if you know how to do it, or you call your IT guy or someone who knows who can resolve it. Alright, if you want to get the driver by yourself, we can check the type of the printer here. This is, let's check for Toshiba eStudio. So you just want to Google Toshiba eStudio official download. This depends on the type of the printer that you have. Oh, I didn't type it well. So if your printer is, let's say, HP LaserJet 1100, that is what you will type. My Google is taking some time. Of course, this printer window is trying to resolve the issue. Okay, can see this is business. You have to take care of this. Of course, you will get a lot of results. Toshiba EU, UK, driver escape, you don't need to go there. So official download link. Sometimes adding the word official will make that official download link to come. Even drivers is here, so I can definitely click on drivers, and I'll be able to, you will be able to find the drivers for your appropriate printer and be able to download them. Of course, the link for drivers and manuals is here. Okay, it is asking for a printer module, so we want eStudio. So this will depend on the printer that you have. You can select the printer that you have from this list. Let's just select that eStudio 120, and yeah, the drivers are here. This must have been an old version, the driver in 2010. So you can download the driver and you can put it. Alright, I hope you found that video helpful. Sometimes, you know, you can call the IT guys and they never come instant, isn't it? They take long. So you can solve some of these problems by yourself. I hope you found that video helpful. Please enjoy.